Hi, my name's Jerry, and I'm the business leader for Smooth Sailing with Tupperware. And I'm so excited that you've joined me. And what I'd like to do today is just answer the four most asked questions about getting started in Tupperware. Number one, everyone wants to know, well, how much money can I make, Jerry? And the average Tupperware party in the US and Canada is $500. And that means to us as a consultant that we're going to make $125. Our commission is 25%. The average Tupperware party, you might be wondering how long does that last? It's about 2 to 2.5 hours. If you have the gift of gab, maybe it's going to be a little bit longer. But the average party is about 2.5 hours. If you're a talker like I am, well, then sometimes I'm there for 3. But to work for 3 hours to make $125 is really great money. And when I do just a couple parties a week and my sales are over $1,500, then I'm going to qualify for our personal sales volume bonus. And that's going to be extra additional money in my pocket as well. The other thing that we have that's a wonderful perk and privilege is that once a month, as the new products are coming out, we have the opportunity to sample those products. And that sampling can be at a 35% discount, 40% discount, or more. And so that's a real perk, I believe, because we have the chance to purchase those products. When we're done using them, we can sell them and make the money back from them, make some extra money back from them, or we can put them in our kitchen, or we can save them as a gift that around the holidays or for birthdays or weddings or whatever. So I find that that's a wonderful perk. Many people come into the business so that they can purchase products at a discount, find that it's so much fun, decide that they'd like to do parties and make a real income, a real living with Tupperware. And Tupperware is the only thing that my husband and I have ever done. I have 2 children, and they're both grown now, but they're both college graduates, and we did that without student loans through the income that we had with Tupperware. So I always say, if I can do it, you can do it too. The other thing that people want to know is how much time does it take? Well, if you were to do just 2 Tupperware parties a week, and let's say you're like me and you've got the gift of gab and they're 3 hours, that's 6 hours right there. Now, there's going to be some time that you're going to spend on the phone with your hostesses, some time ordering the products. And so I'm going to say probably another 2 or 3 hours over the course of a week that you might spend with that. The other thing that I do, if you live in either the Inland Empire or Los Angeles or out in the Valley, is that I do what we call sales rallies. And they are a great resource for you to learn, to be with other consultants, to see what's new and happening, to get your supplies. And so those are available for you every single month, multiple times during the month. So be sure to let me know where it is that you live, or talk with your upline or the person that's bringing you into the business, and you can find out what meeting and what the schedule is for you. So that's a couple of hours a week. So I think really and realistically, if you do just 2 Tupperware parties a week, that would bring you at least $1,000 a week in sales. So that's just on our base commission. You're looking at $250 in income per week. And if you multiply that times 4, well, my gosh, you're looking at over $1,000 a month for just 10 hours a week. Very different from what you would get paid if you were working 10 hours a week in a regular structured job. The other thing you may be asking is, how much does it cost? Well, there's 2 ways to get started. You can pay the entire kit, $99 plus tax, and then when you sell $1,000 in your first 60 days, Tupperware will give you a credit back on your order for the $60, making your cash outlay just $39 plus the tax. Or you can do it the other way, and you can go ahead and you can start with a $39 down payment plus tax, and then when you do the $1,000 in the 60 days, then Tupperware pays the balance of that kit off. They want to invest in you either way. And the other great thing that we have that's a perk with Tupperware Consultants is that we have a wonderful program called the Confident Start Program, and that's where you have an opportunity to win or qualify to get the premium products that we offer in our catalog and supplies absolutely free while you make money. And of course, how do I get started? Well, you just say the word and we'll get the information and we'll register you with Tupperware. And then I'm going to suggest that you talk to the person that's bringing you into the business about an activation event, whether that is a Tupperware party, just like all the other ones that you've ever been to, or it's something where you work, or maybe it's just collecting orders. But we do want to get you active, because when you signed up, there was what we call a welcome offer or a say yes offer. And again, that's one of our premium products at a super, super discounted rate that Tupperware offers all new consultants. But then there's another one, an additional offer, and it's called an activation offer. And you qualify for that when you sell $500 or order out $500 worth of products in the same month in which you opened up your account. So I hope this little video has helped. I hope it answers your questions. If not, please feel free, jot them down. Talk to the person that's helping you get started, their manager, their director, or contact me if you have any additional questions. But you know what? I love Tupperware. I've done it all my life. It's the only thing, as I mentioned, my husband and I have ever done. It has completely supported our family and given me a fabulous lifestyle that I'm not sure I would have had I taken any other kind of job. It offers fun, flexibility, and financial freedom. So looking forward to working with you. My name's Jerry. My phone number is area code 909-663-7977. Once again, that's 909-663-7977. I take phone calls and texts, or you can shoot me an email at jerryz, G-E-R-I-Z, like a zebra, at AOL.com.